Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So Google has made a very interesting announcement, which I think is a nice move, where Google has announced that to help cut through the noise and reduce notification overload, it's going to be launching a new feature to automatically remove notification permission from sites that you haven't interacted with recently. Now, currently, if we head into our settings, you may well know if you use Chrome that Chrome has a safety check tool. And currently, Chrome Safety Check already does this for other permissions such as camera and location. And Google says this feature now will be launched in Chrome on Android and desktop. And the reason for this change is that Google says data indicates that users frequently receive a high volume of notifications, resulting in minimal engagement and high disruption. Less than 1%, Google says, of all notifications receive any interaction from users, and I actually do agree with that. But Google also says that notifications can be valuable and helpful in certain instances, obviously. Therefore, it says this feature will only revoke permissions for sites when there is very low user engagement and a high volume of notifications being sent. This feature, Google says, does not revoke notifications for any installed web apps. So if we just head into a screen grab from the announcement, here we can see this whole process, how this is all going to work. Google says Chrome will inform you when notification permissions are removed. If you prefer, Google says, to keep getting notifications from a particular website, you can easily re-grant the permission at any time through Safety Check, or alternatively by visiting the site and enabling notifications again. You can also choose to turn off the auto revocation feature entirely. Google has also said that its test results have shown a significant reduction in notification overload with only a minimal change in total notification clicks. And it also mentions that its experiments also indicate that websites that send a lower volume of notifications are actually seeing an increase in clicks. And I also agree with that statement. So, as the old saying would go, less is more. So I personally think this is at least a move in the right direction. What do you guys think? Good or bad move? Let me know your thoughts down below. And that was announced on Friday, the 10th of October, late Friday in my part of the world. So at this stage, though, Google hasn't confirmed an exact date for general availability. But if I get word and knowledge of that, obviously, I'll keep you in the loop. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.